mapalapit sa mga mahilig sa musika at nakikinig ng mga magagandang tinig. Ano po, ito ay talagang recommend ko. At kinuha ko rito para sa Walang Tulugan. And I would like to thank now Darling and Hazel and Miss Wilma Galvante sa SOP ay nagkaroon siya ng open door at nabibigyan.
At saka si Tita Pilita rin. Who's
Yes,
her
Pilita, of
co-manager.
course naman. Pilita Corrales pa. Ito nga, na siya from Canada, pero may dugong Pilipina, pero more on foreign ang kanyang beauty, ano po, Kaya nakakapanghinayang pag hindi mo talaga bigyan ng pagkakataon.
Pinapakita nga natin yung album niya, nandiyan,
I'd like to thank
That's her dream.
Viva Records, si Ninong Big de Rosario na nakita niya talaga na may dating ito at may boses.
And she's gonna perform for us, Kuya Germs, and to know more about her, what she's been doing, a glimpse of who Martha Joy is. Let's watch.
Panorin po natin ito.
Genuine artists are born, not made. Such is the talented newcomer who made heads turn and critics take notice the moment she graced our television screens. At a young age, she already had proven her worth as a singer and performer, winning several honors in music competitions and performing in prestigious events abroad. Now, at 18, this young lady is headed for stardom. Taking off from her being a regular co-host of Walang Tulugan with a master showman, soon offers came to her, including an exclusive recording contract with Viva Records, where she could finally share her singing talent with everybody. Singing her first single, Dumating Ka, from her all-original debut album, Mga Kapuso, Martha Joy.
Mahirap magtiwala, ngunit sa di ko inasahan, dumating ka, binago mong lahat, dumating ka, ang puso mo'y tapat, inibig mo ako, kaya't ako'y iyong iyo. Ayoko pa sanang magmahal, ngunit dumating ka.
right.
Hi, teacher.
Yes, Martha.
Thank
Congratulations.
you very much.
Mhm. So dumating na ako.
Dumating na.
Pag-usapan natin about your album. Are you happy now that this is your first album, right?
Yes, this is my first album under Viva Records, and the song I just sang, Dumating Ka, is my carrier single. And I'm very, very proud of this album. I worked very hard for this album. There are 15 songs, and it was produced by Christian DeWalden from Los Angeles.
Mhm. You know, Martha, I know very well na lahat ng singer, ang dream nila magkaroon ng album.
Yeah.
So, what is your feelings now na meron ka ng first album?
Obviously, I'm very, very excited, and it was very surreal, you know, recording my very first album and hearing the song on the radio when it's doing very well on the radio, and
Play it
I
in
know,
the
thank you very
Super Double B.
Thank you very much,
Mhm.
teacher.
And of course, like you are a Canadian Filipina, right?
And half Portuguese.
And you almost grew up in Canada, right?
I grew up in Canada, but I'm here now.
Yeah.
So,
But still, I think, siyempre, pag mag-learn ka na how to sing Tagalog, so it will take time, ano? Pero you so easily na nakuha mo kagad yung...
yeah, well, actually, marunong po ako mag-Tagalog, pero
Alam
medyo
ko.
nahihiya lang talaga ako. So,
Pero pag nagsalita ka ng Tagalog, merong punto-punto, hindi ba? Merong accent, di ba, no?
medyo.
Pero pag kumanta ka, hindi napapansin. You
No.
see, yun ang sinasabi ko. So you invite them that your album is available now
Yes.
from Viva Records.
My album is available in all record bars now under Viva Records. It's self-titled, and look out for my music video and also my single, which is Dumating Ka. So, thank you very much.
I'm sure na paradala mo na yung mga nasa Canada, ano po,
Yes, hi to everyone in Canada. I miss you very much. And they watch the show all the
Ang
time.
sarap pakinggan ng isang album dahil na pag ganitong klase ng tinig, pag original po ang binibili natin, ano po, Kaya huwag niyong kakalimutan, original is the best.
Yes.
Okay? Congrats again, Martha.
Thank you, teacher.
Congrats, okay? So, magbabalik pa rin tayo sa ating Wala